Welcome to video class. This is K. Damodar Reddy, lecturer in chemistry in Government Degree College for Women, Manaparthi. Today video class is heterocyclic compounds. This is useful for BSc third year students. Heterocyclic compounds are the organic compounds. Homocyclic compounds means cyclic compounds containing carbon and hydrogen atoms. Whereas in the case of heterocyclic compounds, cyclic compounds containing carbon, hydrogen and other atom, that is nitrogen, sulfur, oxygen. So these organic compounds contain ring composed of carbon and other heteroatom. In natural heterocyclics, mostly nitrogen, sulfur and oxygen. Heterocyclics exist as 3, 4, 5, 6 and multi-membered rings. In our degree level, 5 and 6 heterocyclic compounds we are going to discuss. These are highly stable and aromatic in nature. So most important heterocyclics are in third year degree level: pherol, furan, thiophene, pyridine. Once again repeat: pherol, furan, thiophene, pyridine. We can going to study of synthesis, aromatic character, preparation, properties of pherol, furan, thiophene and pyridine. Importance of heterocyclic compounds. So heterocyclic compounds are present in many natural compounds like chlorophyll, hemoglobin, DNA, RNA, drugs, vitamins, enzymes. Chlorophyll, hemoglobin, DNA, RNA, drugs, vitamins, enzymes have at least one heteroatom present in these compounds. These are mostly useful for human body. That's why we know the study of heterocyclic compounds. In degree third year level, we have mainly 4 heterocyclic compounds are there: pherol, furan, thiophene and pyridine. We see the first heterocyclic compound, pherol. So pherol having 2 pi bonds, that means 4 pi electrons and one lone pair of electron present on nitrogen, totally 6 pi electrons. So according to Huckel rule, this pherol exhibits aromatic in nature. Huckel's rule states that monocyclic, planar, conjugated compounds having 4n plus 2 pi electron system exhibits the aromatic nature. According to Huckel's rule, pherol exhibits aromatic character. So we go for how to prepare synthesis of pherol. One method from Polnar synthesis. You can prepare the pherol from Polnar synthesis. In Polnar synthesis, you can take the 1,4 dicarbonyl compound. 1,4 dicarbonyl compound react with the ammonia or primary amines to give pherol. So reaction is 1,4 dicarbonyl compound plus NH3 giving rise to pherol. Another method, synthesis of pherol from furan. This is a preparation for using industrial process. Furan reacts with ammonia in the presence of alumina catalyst to give pherol. Passing furan over ammonia in presence of alumina as a catalyst at high temperature, you can get the pherol. So furan NH3 Al2O3 on heating gives pherol. The synthesis is important. The synthesis is important one. This synthesis is using to the preparation of pherol from industrial process. Reactions of pherol. So pherol is a aromatic compound like benzene. So benzene undergoing electrophilic substitution reaction. So pherol also undergoing electrophilic substitution reaction. So in pherol mainly two positions are there. So C2, C3 or alpha, beta. So whereas electrophile attack at C2 position, more resonance contributing structures are possible compared to C3. That's why in pherol electrophilic substitution reactions takes place at C2 position or alpha position. So in electrophilic substitution reactions of pherol, the electrophile attack at may be second position or third position. Attacking of electrophile at second position, more resonance contributing structures are possible than the C3, attack of C3. That's why attacking of electrophile at C2 position, more stable sigma complex is formed. That's why in electrophilic substitution reactions of pherol, the electrophile mainly choose at second position. This is also evidence we can know energy profile diagram of pherol. See here in this diagram, energy diagram shows C2 attack forms more stable intermediate than C3. Hence C2 preferred over C3. So electrophilic substitution reactions of pherol undergoing nitration reaction, we can get the 2-nitropherol. So pherol reacts with acetic anhydride plus HNO3 gives us 2-nitropherol. Whereas in sulfonation reaction, pherol reacts with SO3 in the presence of pyridine to give 2-pherol sulfonic acid. In a halogenation reaction, that means chlorination reaction, 2-chloropherol is formed. Pherol reacts with the chlorine, we can get the 2-chloropherol. So pherol reacts with the acetic anhydride (2-pherol carbon aldehyde is formed. So aldehyde attacked at second position. In these all electrophilic substitution reactions, electrophile attack at second position only in pherol. Reduction reaction of pherol. Pherol undergoing reduction as a mild reducing agent, we can get the 2,5 dihydropherol. Whereas using hydrogenation in the presence of a catalyst, metal catalyst, we can get the pyrrolidine. So here pherol giving us two types of reduction products. One used mild reducing agent, we can get the 2,5 dihydropherol, whereas metal catalyst it gives us pyrrolidine. This is the reduction reaction of pherol. Next important reaction is Reimer-Tiemann reaction. So Reimer-Tiemann reaction, pherol reacts with the chloroform in the presence of alkali. We can get the main product is pherol 2-carbaldehyde and 3-chloropyridine. See in reaction mechanism, pherol reacts with the chloroform in the presence of potassium hydroxide, that means alkali. In this, electrophile is dichlorocarbene attacking at second position of pherol. So this electrophile attack at C2 position or alpha position, we can get the pherol 2 carbaldehyde. And 3-chloropyridine. So this is the Reimer-Tiemann reaction. So pherol undergoing a reaction with the chloroform and alkali, two products are formed. Main product is pherol 2 carbaldehyde. Next product is 3-chloropyridine. So pherol undergoing a reaction with the Grignard reagent, that is methyl magnesium bromide. So 2-pherol magnesium bromide, this reacts with ethyl bromide, 2-ethyl pherol. Pherol 2 magnesium bromide undergoing reaction with carbon dioxide under hydrolysis reaction takes place, pherol 2 carboxylic acid. This reaction is pherol reacts with Grignard reagent, methyl magnesium bromide. Pherol used in medicines, medicinal uses of pherol. This is useful anti-chloranogenic drug used in peptic ulcer. And also used in cholesterol and high blood pressure drug. So in these two drugs, pherol ring is present. You see, in these two drugs having pherol unit. That's why we need to study the heterocyclic compounds. Second heterocyclic compound is furan. So difference is, in pherol nitrogen atom is present, in furan heteroatom is oxygen. So compound containing carbon hydrogen with one heteroatom, that is oxygen. This is furan. Furan also aromatic compound, exhibits aromaticity according to Uckel's rule. So Uckel's rule states that monocyclic planar conjugated compounds having 4n plus 2 pi electron system, according to Uckel's rule, So furan also aromatic compound. So see here, furan have 4 carbons, 1 oxygen, all are sp2 hybridized. So sp2 hybridization is planar. It makes a planar furan ring structure. The total 6 pi electrons are there. So the resonance of 6 electrons follows the Kel's rule. So the furan is aromatic. Next we can see the synthesis of furan. So from polymer synthesis of furan, in polymer synthesis you can take the 1,4 dicarbonyl compound. This 1,4 dicarbonyl compound undergoing acid catalyzed cyclizing dehydration reaction takes place, you can get the furan. So first synthesis is polymer synthesis. In polymer synthesis you can take the 1,4 dicarbonyl compound. It is undergoing acid catalyzing reaction takes place. So furan is prepared. Furan is prepared. One minute. Reactions of furan. Like ferrol, furan also undergoing electrophilic substitution reaction because of this is also aromatic compound like benzene. So furan undergoing electrophilic substitution takes place at 2 positions, one C2, another one is C3. C2 position attacking of electrophile at C2 position give more resonance contributing structures than the C3 position. So attacking of electrophile at C2 positions and C3 positions, you can see here compared to C3, C2 giving has more resonance contributing structures. So in furan electrophilic substitution reactions takes place, the electrophile preferable at C2 position than the C3 position. You can see the electrophilic substitution reactions of furan. Furan reacts with acetic acid and HNO3. In nitration reaction takes place, 2-nitrofuran as well as 2,5-dinitrofuran. Furan undergoing nitration reaction, the product is 2-nitrofuran and 2,5-dinitrofuran. In sulfonation reaction, furan reacts with sulfur trioxide in the presence of pyridine, 2-furan sulfonic acid and disulfonic acid. Two products are formed. In hallucination reaction, we can take the chlorination reaction. So 2-chlorofuran, 2,5-dichlorofuran. Furan undergoing reaction with the acetic anhydride in the presence of BF3, Lewis acid, aldehyde group attacked at the second position of furan. Furan 2 carbaldehyde. This is the electrophilic substitution reactions of furan. Like ferrol, furan undergoing electrophilic substitution reaction takes place. Electrophilic substitution reactions of furan is nitration, sulfonation, hallucination reactions. So, reduction reaction of furan. Furan undergoing reduction reaction in the presence of metal catalyst, tetrahydrofuran, THF, tetrahydrofuran. So once again, reduction reaction of furan. Furan undergoing reduction in the presence of metal catalyst, we can get the tetrahydrofuran, THF. So Diels-Soder reaction, important reaction. Furan undergoing Diels-Soder reaction, oxygen atom is highly electronegative, so the delocalization of lone pair electrons in aromatic system of furan is not overly effective. Thus furan can behave as a dinophile and gives 4n+2 cycloaddition reaction. So Diels-Soder reaction of furan, it is considered as a conjugated diene. It is reacts with the dinophile of dimethyl maleate. You can get the adduct as a product. So oxygen atom is highly electronegative. That's why compared to ferrol and thiophene, only furan acting as a conjugated diene. That's why only furan undergoing Diels-Soder reaction with the dinophiles. You can see the another example for Diels-Soder reaction of furan. So furan reacts with malic anhydride, you can get the adduct. So this is the Diels-Oder reaction of furan. You can see the ferrol, furan, thiophene, these two 5-membered heterocyclic compounds. 5-membered heterocyclic compounds. In 3, only furan gives Diels-Oder reaction. The reason is oxygen is highly electronegative atom compared to oxygen and sulfur. That's why furan only acting as conjugated diene like 1,3 butadiene. That's why furan only participated in Diels-Oder reaction. Diels-Oder reaction. So the chemical reaction of furan, another one is reaction with ammonia in the presence of alumina. You can get the ferrol. So furan, another chemical reaction is reaction with ammonia. Furan reacts with ammonia in the presence of alumina. On heating, you can get the ferrol. This reaction is also useful for preparation of or synthesis of ferrol. So furan also used in medicals. See here, antiprotozoal agent and peptic ulcer drugs having furan unit. So that means we need to know the heterocyclic compounds. Thank you. We can discuss continuation next video class. Thank you one and all.